Alright, hey everyone, Mr.FlipSoul himself. We're at a restaurant called Sawmill Run in Summer Haven, Arizona, on top of Mount Lemon. And what I have here is a PBJ and Huckleberry burger. And it has bacon, caramelized onions, and cheddar cheese, and some peanut butter on it. And huckleberry gravy. And I'm gonna take a bite. Very good. And some fries. Very, very good.
What are some flavors you taste?
I taste some sweetness, I taste some spiciness, definitely the taste of the savoriness of the burger, and of course the bacon, and it's the perfect balance of flavors. And I would give it an A+.
Right on, A+.